Hello chaps and ladies, welcome to that Villiers chap. This is my first proper video, so you will excuse me if some things aren't quite right. But today, I have just acquired this beautiful Villiers Mark-9. That's right, a Mark-9. If we come down here to the spec plate, 9. This is a very rare engine, I've never seen one like this before. And today we're going to see if it will start. It's got a Villiers B10 carburettor. I've had a look in the air filter, it looks alright. So apart from that, I've tried to get a pulley. You can see my attempts over there. I've tried to get a pulley on this, but I just simply don't have the right size for this hole. So I've come up with a better way, well not exactly better, but another way of starting it. Using, not very well, but using this output pulley, just wrapping some bale twine around it basically. Not ideal, but hopefully it should work. Yes, let's get into it. Now I haven't actually looked at the oil yet. That's what I'm going to do now. Yep, there's oil in there. I think that should be alright. Let's have a look. I think there's fuel in this. Yes, there's some petrol in there. I love this original chain on the fuel cap. I've got a few engines that's missing that. Apologies if you hear a loud noise, we're on a farm where things happen, so things are a bit loud. I've just realised, just this moment, that is a replacement fuel cork. Look at that, it's too shiny to be original. Cool, that's good. Right, fuel tap's on. Let's have a look at this carburettor. I've never actually had a B10 carb before. It doesn't look like you can prime them. Let's set some choke. Do we need choke? It's well, it's quite hot today, so I don't think we need choke. I don't think there's a primer on these. No, don't think there is. So let's put the switch to the on position. I guess now we'll see if it will start. I don't know. My word, that was quite unexpected. Let's see if it will go for a bit longer this time. Oh, nearly. Won't stay going seemingly. I'm going to put a bit of choke on it this time. See if that will help. Oh, I can see a lot of petrol there. Almost. Well, it runs. Well, it seems to run, but very, very fast. It was on full choke that whole time. So, I think that's full choke. Feels like full choke. But, very, very, very fast. It seems to just be wanting to rev. Right, well, I've moved, I actually haven't touched the mixture screw. I have moved the idler screw. It really does help if I set it to the on position. That's better. missing a few bits. Oh. I wonder if she's out of fuel, but she ran beautifully. Oh well, I hope you enjoyed this little introduction to that Villiers chap, and with this beautiful Villiers Mark-9, hope to see you soon. Cheerio.